Hey there, today we're here to take a look at this 6-foot folding table. So let's open it up and see how quick it sets up. We could actually have this set up within 30 seconds. Let's time it real quick. Pops right open. We're going to pull both of the legs up, pop them into place. Then we're going to set the table up. Super fast, super slick. I love it. This 6-foot table comes fully assembled and ready to go when you receive it, making it easy to transport and store whenever you need to. It can slide really easily under a bed, in a closet, because it compacts so well and so nicely. As we saw, we're able to install it within 30 seconds. It's super slick. It comes up really easily and takes down really easily. So this is going to be great for all of the occasions, whether it's a birthday party, Christmas party, New Year's party, whatever you might be celebrating at that point in time. It's great for outdoors barbecues, get-togethers, anything like that. This table is set, and you can even use it as a dining table if you need to. It sits 6 to 8 adults, so it's going to be perfect for any of those dining experiences. This table is made with a premium HDPE material. It's 15% thicker and stronger than other more hollow 6-foot tables. And with this quality material, it makes the tabletop stronger and less likely to scratch or dent. This table is really sturdy. It's coming with powder-coated legs to help support it, and it has joint ring locks for the camping frame. And then it comes with non-slip rubber feet on the legs to make it so it's not going to slip and slide around for your parties. It's going to stay in place and stay put. This 6-foot table, it's 26 pounds. It's 71 inches in length. It's 29 inches in width and 29 inches high. When it folds down, it's 34.5 inches in length, 29 inches wide, and only 3 inches thick. So it's going to be super easy to be able to fold down and store when you need it, and then pull it out for those parties when you're ready for them. So this table, it comes with this handle that makes it super easy to transport and move around. It's really easy to just lift it up and go. So for setting up, what we're going to do is we are going to fold it open like this, fold it open like this. Then you're going to pop both legs up. Now when you flip it over, we have these metal rings on both sides that we're going to want to fall into place. That prevents the table from collapsing on you or falling over. So we're going to flip the table over. Make sure both of those rings fell into place, and they did, so that table is not going to collapse on us. Super easy, slick setup, less than 30 seconds. Then to take it down, just as much time, if not a little bit less. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip the table back over. Make sure those rings come down, and then we're able to push the legs down. Pop them into place. They have these locking mechanisms on both sides. And then we also have this locking mechanism right here that we'll need to push. Lift the table up, fold it over, snap it into place, and you are all set to go. We have the handle out. We're able to carry this and go to haul it to our car and put it in the back and take it home with us.